Don't forget to put your truck in park. Yo, we fucked up. Got a bit of a gentleman's bend in her. So yeah, new tailgate, new bumper. I was leaving and my buddy was here, so I came up here to talk to him. I seen him just pull in, so I had my truck right here. Yeah, right here. And I had my foot on the brake, turned it off while it was in drive, and then wasn't planning on getting out of the truck. And I was like, oh, I want to show him something real quick. So I jumped out of my truck and we walked over here. Then all of a sudden we hear something and we're like behind the excursion. So we come over here to look and my truck's like 3/4 of the way down that hill, barreling towards the freaking trees. And yeah, you can see where it went in, and I could do absolutely nothing besides sit and watch. Not enough time to pull out a phone and react like that. So comes barreling down. You see the tire marks and little tick patch of a field here. Comes crashing into this tree. Hear the tree fall, and I'm like, oh my God! Scream, fuck! Come running down here. Look at the tire marks. He was barreling. Thank Christ it was fucking going in. It was in reverse, so the fucking back end what hit. But yeah, that was underneath the truck. This is the tree that it took down. Literally heard the tree fall. I'm like, okay, the fucking windows have to be smashed. Windows were not smashed. It was just fucking jammed up on this stump down there. I was underneath like the rear axle. So I wanted to get the stump out as much as I could. I cut the stump out into pieces. My brother, my buddy Joe, helped me pull it out with the Kubota. And then I just drove the truck straight out. The hitch saved the whole thing. The hitch wasn't there. The rear would have smashed. The train horns would have been obliterated. Probably would have totaled my truck and would have been seriously devastated. But as shitty as it is, it could have been a whole lot worse. So yeah, we're gonna try to never make that mistake again. So yeah, the top of that hill, all the way down here, barreled, and by the grace of God, didn't flip, didn't nothing. Yeah, truly incredible. The only bad part is the hitch apparatus. It's connected to the frame. Saved the truck, but it pushed into the tanks, which I did not see yesterday, but after analyzing the damages today, tried to put air in the tanks because I got 0 reading on the little modular that has my PSI in my tanks. So I came up here and tried to manually inflate them because sometimes the compressor doesn't work, but then still at 0, compressor was on. I put it in manually and I can feel this is up. That's not supposed to be like that. So you can feel air coming out of there. So I'm gonna have to get a little something for that. But yeah, this saved my truck. Ford tough. Seriously. Ford freaking tough. Honestly, looks pretty freaking sick. But yeah, we're gonna get a new tailgate, a new bumper, a new hitch jammer, fix the tanks. Already fixed my speaker stack, that was obliterated. Buff these fuckers out. Yeah, it sucks, but could always be worse. And I have a pond on my property, so didn't go in the pond. Wasn't in public, not around a lot of people, so it's just me and my girl usually. So yeah, she's all good, as much as it sucks. Might need to wait to get the tanks fixed, but yeah. Gonna get a new tailgate. Gonna pop the Harley emblem off, of course. But we'll make something sick. The Harley truck, I might get like some like airbrush, like a Jaguar riding a Harley, or like something just like absurd and that doesn't make sense. So yeah, I'm gonna rack my brain for a little bit. But yeah, shit sucks, but it's okay. Made serious progress on the John boat yesterday. Proud of that. But so,
I'm going in. Well,
Those the wrong way.
did I do those?
Yes.
That's amazing. Well, you left me out here all alone over here.
Hell yeah.
Yuck.
Okay. Onto the truck. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen. New hitch receiver. Frame's fine. New bumper. You might keep the tailgate because it just adds character. The hitch that saved the whole truck. Straight as an arrow. I don't know what company made this, but I would love to write them a review. I don't know what company made it though. It was on the truck when I bought the truck. But tanks are fine. Just quick replacement on that little nozzle. And yeah, new hitch receiver. I'll show you what the old hitch receiver looks like and probably what people thought that my frame looked like. But this is what saved the truck. Look at that. So yeah, that fucking thing completely saved the whole situation. Folded it, but saved the truck. Old bumper, bent, but yeah, that's what got bent, not my frame. So yeah, all good. Gonna have these stickers available online.